Step 5. Make a conclusion. First, we want to check the level of significance. Conclusions based on the p-values are made by looking at the level of significance. The significance level, it is a number such that we reject the H0 or the non-hypothesis if the p-value is less than or equal to that number. So the most common significance level is 0.05. Other common ones are 0.1 and 0.01. It is denoted by alpha. The level of significance or the significance level is denoted by alpha. If p-value is less than or equal to alpha, the level of significance, then we reject H0 or the non-hypothesis. The right interpretation of this will be when p-value equals to a particular value, we have sufficient evidence to reject a non-hypothesis in the favor of alternative hypothesis. You can state the alternative hypothesis in the context of the problem. If the p-value is larger than the level of significance, alpha, then we do not reject the H0. The correct interpretation will be with p-value equals to a certain number, we do not have sufficient evidence to reject the non-hypothesis. There's a very important concept. Cannot reject the non-hypothesis is not the same thing as accept the non-hypothesis. When we cannot reject a non-hypothesis, it means we do not have enough information or enough data to make a conclusion. So the right answer is we need to investigate more. We need to do more experiments, and we need to collect more data. So we cannot make any statement or have any confident conclusion about this particular experiment or question. What is statistical significance? When the data provide sufficient evidence to reject a non-hypothesis and support alternative hypothesis, the results of the test are called statistically significant.